Welcome back. Today question is here they gave log base 10 to 2. 10 of 2 is equal to 0.3010 and log base 10 to the log base 10 to 3 is 0.4771 and they asked to find the value of log base 10 of 0.6, and here we have to use the log 2 value of log 2 and the value of log 3, and let's say how to do this. We can write log base 10 to 0.6 as log base 10 to 6 over 10, and in the next step we can write 6 over 10 as 6 log base 10 of 6 minus log base 10 of 10. So 10 of 6 we can write 3 into 2 minus this one becomes 1 by 10 to the power 1 is 10. So log base 10 to 10 equal to 1. Now using the log rules we can write base 10 of 3 plus log base 10 of 2 minus 1. So this is 0.4771 plus 3010 minus 1. So when you add these two, you will get 187770 minus 1. So the final answer should be 0.2219. Okay, I hope you understand well. So here only use the log rule of the addition of and the division. So when you have addition like log base a to b into c, it can write as a of b plus log a of c, same as log a b over c, we can write as log a of b minus log a of c. Okay, these are the two rules which we used here. So let's meet from another video. Thank you very much.